What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keyboard disappeared issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and click on apps. Now here in apps click on apps option again and then click on this three dot more option. Now tap on show system processes and after that go to the search bar and search for your keyboard. Tap on your keyboard that you are using and then go to its storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK. So after doing this, the keyboard disappeared issue will be fixed, but if it doesn't fix your issue then try restarting your phone. So to restart your phone, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like keyboard disappearing issue. So that's how you can fix the keyboard disappeared issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.